In the series of videos on persons and kinds of persons, we were trying to understand the legal status of different human beings as well as things. Now that we have already discussed the legal status of unborn person, the dead persons, animals, idols, mosque, river, firms, unincorporated bodies, Hindu joint family as well as state. In my today's video, I am bringing three categories of people who are definitely natural persons, but are they legal persons? Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari, and in my today's class, let us try understand the legal status of drunkard, lunatic and minors. Let us get into the first slide. I have told in the first slide itself that they are natural persons, but the question is, are they legal persons? And the simple answer is yes, they are legal persons. But there is one important observation that you have to make, and that is making difference from any other group to this group, is that the status of legal person or legal identity is fluctuating when it comes to all these three categories of people, that is drunkard, lunatic or minors. There are two important aspects you need to remember. One, the guardian aspect, and the second one is contract. Now, when it comes to the minors, they will have guardians. It may be natural guardian or the legal guardian which is appointed by the court, and guardians may be applicable for the unsound people also. The person who is lunatic or having unsoundness of mind may be having a legal guardian, or court may appoint a legal guardian to secure his body as well as his property. Now, the next important aspect that I am discussing in this particular slide is contract. Now, minors cannot enter into any kind of contract though they are legal persons. That is the limitation they are having. And drunkard and lunatic, when they are not mentally fit to understand the terms of contract, they cannot get into any kind of contract, and if done or if they did so, that is not a valid contract. That is the important aspect you need to remember. So the next question is, what if they commit any crime? For that, we'll go to Indian context with the help of IPC. Let us try understand the crime when it comes to the drunkard, lunatic and minors. The chapter 4 of IPC, which is from section number 76 to 106, discusses about general exceptions. Now, for a crime, we need to have two important aspects. One is mens rea, second one is actus rea. Here, there can be actus rea, but mens rea is missing in the case of minors, unsound mind people and the people who are intoxicated. That is the exception available under section number 82 to 86, and let us try understand them one by one. Section number 82 says, act of a child under 7 years of age, there is no punishment because there is no chance of having mens rea. Whereas section number 83 discusses about the child above 7 years but below 12 years. Here we need to assess the mens rea. If there was mens rea, then the child will be punishable with juvenile whatever rules available. Otherwise, there will be no punishment for such child. Section number 84 discusses about the person of unsound mind. If the person, while doing such crime, if he was unsound and if it is proved, then he cannot have mens rea, so there will not be any punishment to such person. Section 85 and 86 discusses about the intoxication, crime and intoxication, and if it was not purposeful or self-intoxication done by the person himself, the mens rea might be missing because he is intoxicated with the influence of others and somebody must have planned and did it. So he cannot become liable for such crimes, and if he had any mens rea and then intoxicated and committed crime, yes, he will be punishable. So both the cases are discussing if there is no mens rea and if he is not intoxicated by self. In that case, the exception is available for the person who has committed crime in intoxication. That covers the part of drunkard person. That brings an end to this particular video. My next video is very important video because there can be an independent question on that particular aspect, which is corporation or company as a legal person. Now, there is a lot of requests coming for different videos of different laws. Guys, I am not doing all of them because of time constraint. You guys are my pillars of the channel. Thank you so much for subscribing me. Please like, share and comment my videos. I will try feed as many as videos in the near future. All the very best for your exams, and thank you so much again.